Road trip!
How much would something like that be?
A lot. Like, the big step for this business was when we got into this building. The second big step was when we opened that second location. This is like the third big step. But this is how it goes down, baby. You want wheels, you want tires, we are the suppliers.
No wheel up, bro.
No, you told me that it's at the same spot.
Same spot. This is the spot.
How much time do you think you spend looking for wheel locks?
I spend like 45 max on a car. Because like customer was 100% sure that the car wheel lock is in the car. But then at the end, we found out that he forgot it at his home.
Like butter. Get a load of this guy. So look, this is our website. Do you want to search here? Do you want to search here by vehicle? There's two places you can go.
From a customer view, but you go like you're like on the home screen.
It's one thing at a time, but like this is the big step. Like the big step for this business was when we got into this building. The second big step was when we opened that second location. This is like the third big step. Like this is probably a bigger step than both of those. Alright guys, we're out here at Premier Tire. We are the problem solvers. Brand new 2025 Defender OCTA. Comes with factory 33-inch tall tires. If you're living downtown Toronto, you live in an older building, the height clearance is not that great in the underground garages. We have the solution. We have the Fitted Spec lowering links for the OCTAs in stock, ready to rock. If you got an OCTA, you have problems going into any undergrounds in downtown Toronto or anywhere, give us a shout. We also ship worldwide. So if you're having underground issues with an OCTA, we got you, baby. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got a nice wild one today. We're actually doing a mobile install. We're going to the dealership. The client has not even taken delivery of the vehicle yet. It's a brand new 992.2 Targa. It's a beautiful green. I believe it's called olive metallic. Don't quote me. I don't remember the exact color, but we opted with the ANRKY, the AN10s, one-piece monoblock forged, 21s in the front, 22s in the back with a fat 335 wide. Now we're gonna replace the OEM 315 wides and take it to a nice 335 wide. The OEM setup is a 2021. We're gonna up it to a 21-22. And if you check out the finish here, we got a two-tone brushed polished champagne finish This is gonna accent the green paint. It's gonna look fabulous. Stay tuned. You're gonna ride along with the mobile team. They're gonna take you along for the install, the journey. They're gonna introduce you to the guys at Porsche Waterloo. You guys want a Porsche? Tap in with these guys. They can get you guys rocking and rolling.
Guys, we just touched down Kitchener Waterloo Porsche. We got this beautiful spec 2025 992.2 Targa. We're putting some ANRKY wheels on it. Just stay tuned, you guys are not ready at all. I wasn't joking when I said it didn't touch the street. Still got the warehouse lines. Bro, this car didn't even leave the dealership.
No, it's never been driven on the road.
That's what I mean. So the wheeler came to the dealer and it's rainy, but we had to bring it out for you guys to show you the whole look, the whole, you know what I'm saying, everything that's going on. We're in Waterloo, little road trip up to Waterloo, Porsche, Kitchener. Come on, man. We got you on camera right now. Tell me what you're thinking, buddy. Put the top down, look at this guy. What can't be filmed, so we know?
Under the cover.
How much would something like that be?
A lot.
These are the W Edition Origin wheels, custom made for W Leasing. He's got his own line with Origin. These are directional Bentley Bentayga fitment, orange pinstripe, because the vehicle has orange details. So stay tuned, it's gonna be crazy. 2025 Bentayga. Smash burger taco.
Okay, that looks.
It was literally a 10 out of 10. It was so good. Smash burger taco. You know why? It tastes just like a smash burger, but the bun, it's because it's a taco, it's a tortilla. It is like you don't get that extra like bread. You know, it was good. Cheeseburger egg roll, really good. Really good, bro. It was so good.
That biscotti, the biscotti crispy chicken. That's
So my boy that was there before us, he said, "Yo, that was the best thing he had." But when I got, I was like, "Nah, it's not. It's okay. It's okay." But it's, yo, honestly, that one is like sweet and savory.
yeah, that's what.
But that smash burger taco was so good. Alright guys, we got the big body G63 4x4, 4x4 baby. Big Vossens 22s, these are the HFX, and the polished silver finish, wrapped in those BF Goodrich tires. We also got the fifth. It's not installed yet because we're getting a custom bracket made for it, but this is how it goes down, baby. You want wheels, you want tires, we are the suppliers.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
We didn't say don't load them, we said load them.
Sorry.
Exactly. Okay. This guy is okay. Bye.
It's Alex, bro.
Alex,
You load them, please.
this guy, go load them. Go fucking